Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to be talking to you about the 2022 RAB Valiance. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about the RAB Valiance, in particular the 2022 model. Not a huge amount has changed from 2021, but we're still going to go over all the features and materials and the fill power of this jacket, just so you're fully informed, and we'll also talk about what the changes are from last year's model. I've been lucky enough to own a Valiance, so I can speak firsthand about this jacket and just how good it is as a bit of an all-rounder when it comes to warmth and weatherproofing. So what sets the Valiance aside from all the other jackets out there, especially from RAB, is that this is a down-filled insulated jacket that is also 100% waterproof. So all of the seams are taped, the outer is a waterproof material, and that covers all the way up to the hood as well. So without further ado, let's talk about the materials. In the 2022 model, the Valiance has 100% recycled down inside it. Built with durable waterproof Pertex shield outer and tape seams, the Valiance offers reliable protection from even the harshest conditions. Within the jacket we see a 700 fill recycled down which is coated in a knit wax solution to help control any moisture that may get into the jacket. For added durability, low bulk and better moisture management, the cuffs and hood are insulated with a fast drying synthetic insulation. Narrow bonded box wool construction stabilises the down and allows for full loft, trapping the maximum amount of warm air while also reducing weight and bulk. So the RAB Valiance is a premium jacket with premium features, and the first one is YKK AquaGuard zippers throughout all of the zips on the outer of the jacket. So we've got our main zip all the way down. This is a full zip, so it runs all the way to the bottom of the jacket, nice and easy for getting on and off. And then on either side we have two pockets, both again with waterproof zips. In terms of valuables, keep them on the inside of the jacket, whether that's in a jumper or in the internal pocket, which we'll speak about in a second. These pockets, although waterproof, there is a chance for moisture to get inside them, and we don't want your valuables getting damaged, so keep those in a dry place underneath the jacket. On the inside of the jacket, we see a pocket that's on the left chest side of the jacket. It's a nice size, easily going to be able to get a smartphone in there. To be honest, it's substantial enough that you can get your smartphone, wallet, and probably a few other things in there as well, which is really nice. The inside of the jacket is lovely and soft as a touch, which makes it nice and comfortable, especially if you're wearing this against bare skin. If it's a really cold day but you're moving, you're active, you might find you just throw this on over top of a t-shirt or maybe a light fleece, so it's nice that RAB have also made it comfortable to wear against your skin. Moving down the jacket, we are met with a Velcro cuff at the end of the sleeves. This means that you can just tailor the fit to yourself. Some people prefer their cuffs a little bit looser, some a bit tighter. Obviously, if you're wearing gloves and it's a really cold day, you want to trap in as much of that warmth as possible. So being able to do these cuffs up nice and tight and make sure they're fitting you comfortably is a really nice thing to see. And then moving down to the base of the jacket, completely, we are met with a little adjustment system. This is a dual toggle system because weight isn't quite a big an issue with the Valiance. It's already a relatively weighty jacket. We've got 2 points of adjustment here, and both of them are using toggles, so you can pull this tighter to adjust sort of the skirt of the jacket. Like I said, cinching this in relatively tight will stop any warm air escaping the jacket. It's going to make a slightly nicer temperature inside the jacket and less likely for cold air to ingress into the jacket. And then coming back up to the top, we are met with a fully waterproof hood, which has again an adjuster here at the back and a rigid brim on the front. This is a nice bendy material, so you can actually shape this. If you decide to stuff it into a stuff sack, which it does come with, you'll need to rebend this once it comes out just to make sure it's in the right position for you. But you can see there, that's nice and rigid. And what that does is it keeps the weather off your face, helps with weather protection, and it also stops the jacket sort of rubbing on the top of your forehead, which is really nice. On the inside, we're met with the classic hood adjusters as well, which are these two little things here. That helps pull the hood down to make sure it fits you perfectly. The last thing we want on a wet, windy day is the hood blowing off and you getting rain straight on your head. So that will allow you to adjust the hood even better. If you use those in conjunction with the back one, you should get a really good fit. In the same location, we've also got this nice soft material, and that is just for added comfort to make the jacket a little bit nicer when it's sitting around your face. This comes up quite high on you when you wear it, so that will also be a little bit nicer around your mouth and stuff. It will also absorb a bit of moisture if you create any condensation within the jacket. Okay, so let's talk about fit. The RAB Valiance is a relatively standard fit. They would call this a regular fit, and I would suggest it's a little bit more bulky and a bit boxier than your average jacket. It fits really nicely. As you can tell, it's quite a chunky jacket and it's relatively long as well. This is a size medium, it's what I normally take in RAB. This is going down quite low on me. Like I said, it's all adjustable, so with the hood and things, you can fully adjust it to make sure it fits you perfectly. So in terms of fit, it's a nice regular fit. There's plenty of room under here for a few extra layers, and it is incredibly warm in front of all these studio lights. So who is the RAB Valiance for? Well, the RAB Valiance is really for everyone. It's a great one and done jacket. You're going to be warm and you're going to be dry within this jacket. A lot of people look for a waterproof down jacket, and until recently it wasn't an option available in the market. But over the last few years, RAB have really perfected the waterproof down jacket, and this is certainly a really good option. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and as always, if you would mind liking and subscribing to the channel, it would really help us out. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you next time.